the AGP CS11 Concrete Diamond Chain Saw. Cut through concrete fast in ways you never thought possible. The diamond chain easily wet cuts concrete, brick, and other tough materials. Reliable single-phase universal motor means it's easy to hook up. Just connect water, plug in, and cut. With no exhaust fumes, it's ideal for indoor use, and the compact size is perfect for confined spaces. The CS11 Diamond Chain Saw cuts like no other tool. Accurate small square cutouts. Perfect corners without messy overcuts. Efficient 3200 watt universal motor for maximum cutting power. Deep plunge cuts up to 300 millimeters, saving time and effort. Bumper spike for leverage when fully plunged. LED indicator lets you optimize load for maximum performance. Includes integrated water feed. Reed type switch is resistant to water, slurry, or dust. Radius curves. Ergonomic handles for precise control and reduced fatigue. Precision cutting made possible by 2 spirit levels. The AGP CS11, cutting edge, max power, ultimate versatility.